Here we are with another simple example of context-free grammar. We want to generate from this grammar the strings in the form a to the n, b to the m, c to the n plus m. So we will have a list of a's, say that we have na, then we will have mb, and then we will have n plus mc. So we need the sequence in this order with these numbers of the letters A, B, and T. Let's take some examples here. Since N and M may be equal to 0, so epsilon may be accepted. Also, if we have a list of A, here, for example, we have 2 A's, then we have another list of letters B. We have 2 B's. The sum of A's and B's is 4, so we need to have at the end of the string 4C. Also here, since we have 4 A's followed by 2 B's, we need to have 6 C's at the end of the string. So here, it's easy to see that we can read the A's in the beginning and allow for the same number of C's at the end of the string. For this, we may write this rule. A variable t will be substituted by atc. So the first a will appear and the last c will appear, and we will have the same variable t in the middle here that again will be substituted by atc for the second a here and the second to the last c here. And we will apply this rule third time and the fourth time to obtain these 4 A's and 4 C's at the end. Now for the string in the middle here, we will say that it's a balanced sequence of B's followed by C's. So the last T here will take the second rule, which is R, and R will be a balanced list of B's and C's. So we'll write BRC, and the R in the middle again will be BRC until finding all the occurrences of B and C, and the last R will lead to epsilon. So we can apply the rules to find a derivation for this string. We may write first T is substituted by ATC, then the T in the middle is substituted by ATC, and then the T in the middle again is substituted by ATC, and this T will be substituted by ATC. Now we have the 4 A's there and the 4 C's at the end there, so the T in the middle will lead to R. Now for this R, we will follow the rules of R. So it will be, the first R will be substituted by BRC. The second one will be substituted, this R will be substituted again by BRC until we have all the needed B's and T's, C's in the middle of the string. And in this case, the last R will yield to epsilon, and we will have the desired string derived from the start symbol of the grammar. So this is a grammar for the language that contains all the strings in the form a to the n, b to the m, c to the n plus m.